Miracle Roots Red Alingatong nasa capsule na. Hatid ng GreenMed Pharma. Red Alingatong capsule is now FDA approved.
Ito ay mabisang gamot para sa UTI, renal failure. Tumutulong mapababa ang creatinine. Nakakatulong sa kidney problems, cancer problems, insomnia, almoranas, gallstone, constipation at diabetes.
Red Alingatong capsule. Mabibili na sa mga butika. The Miracle Roots Red Alingatong capsule. FDA approved.
The Morning Brew.
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 The Morning Brew
With DJ Tommy G.
with DJ Tommy G.
89.5 radio the way it should be.
89.5 Subic Bay Radio. Welcome to the Morning Brew, July 17, 2024 edition of this radio show. Wow, time flies so fast. Nangangalahati na yung the month of July and we are halfway 2024 officially. Okay, so I still feel it's like we just welcomed 2024 a couple of days ago. Bilis ng oras, no? Ang bilis ng panahon. Yeah, speaking of panahon, it's now 10:41 in the morning. The time check brought to you this time by Royal Duty Free. Check out the ongoing promo of Royal Duty Free. It's the Chocolate Carnival from July 7 up until August 7, 2024. Step right up to the Chocolate Carnival at Royal Duty Free shops once again from July 7 to August 7 and spend at least 500 pesos on participating chocolate brands and get the chance to spin the wheel of chocolates for instant prizes. Also indulge your sweet tooth and win big. So don't miss out on this sweet opportunity. So for more details, see posters and print ads. Check them out on their official social media pages and the official website, of course, www.royalsubic.com, where the catalog is always posted. You may also call hotline number 252-3258, Royal Duty Free's Chocolate Carnival Festival. Okay? And right about now, for those who are viewing us on the live stream, if you guys notice, ayan, may mga kasama tayo, no? May kasama tayong magaganda. Buti na lang ang pogi namin, yung mga counterpart. Ayan. We have our guest for today. We're gonna start things up with this interview for this radio program with our guest from, I think, how do I put it? Standout Productions na lang, ano? Sa kaibigan nating si DJ Shego. Sige nga, ikaw nga magpaliwanag ng bagay-bagay.
Hi, good morning. Good morning again. Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. We are still live here at 89.5 Subic Radio. And this time, DJ, kasama natin ang mga official candidate of Mr. and Miss Victorious 2024.
Ayun,
Yay!
Mr. and Miss Victorious 2024.
Victory Athletic Club.
Ngayon pa lang masasabi ko na kagad, wagi. Kasi victorious. In collaboration with Victory Gym and Athletic Club, obviously, right? Ayan, okay. Kailan magaganap ito? Kailan mangyayari?
Sa ano siya, July 27.
July 20, lapit na, no? 10 days to go. So, it's like a pageant, right? Pageant
it's like a normal pageant. We'll be having our swimwear, casual, long gown, Q&A.
Saan gaganapin?
Still on Victory Athletic Club.
Ito sa Subic Bay Freeport natin, ano? Sa Central Business District area of the Subic Bay Freeport. Ayan, okay. O sige, ikaw na bahala mag-introduce sa kanila isa-isa. Or let them do some introduction.
Pakilala natin sila isa.
This other mic nga pala pwedeng gamitin. Kindly grab hold of ayan yung portable mic kasi eh. Ayan. Tapos, kung sino daw yung unang hawak ng portable mic, yun yung kakanta mamaya. Diyos!
Kaya naman already na ang kanilang material.
Yeah. Sige. Okay.
Ayan, we have here live mga kaibigan. Kasama natin lahat ang ating ilan sa mga official candidate of Mr. and Miss Victorious 2024. This is season 2 na.
Ay, season 2 na.
Di ba last year?
Oo.
You did the hosting for Mr. and Miss Victorious.
Ay, yun na pala. Oo nga pala, Mr. and Miss Victorious din nga pala yun, ano?
Oh my God, you almost
I thought
forgot.
it was a different pageant.
It's the same.
It's the
So
same
season
one.
2 na tayo.
Okay.
So we have here beside me is Kirk. We have Justin, Gilbert, and Hannalyn and Richelle. And Sir G, our marketing manager for Victory Gin.
Alright.
So this time, bigyan natin sila ng chance to introduce themselves.
Yeah, self-introduction.
Yes, self-introduction.
Yeah. Sige nga, pakinggan natin. Alright.
Hello everyone, I'm Craig Daniel Ibiran, 21. I'm taking up Bachelor of Science in Tourism Management, currently third-year student at Gordon College. And for those of you who don't know, I'm your Mr. Zambales 2023, and I also entered this competition, Mr. and Miss Victorious, so that I could have a chance for one last crown before I enter the national stage.
Oh, nice. Okay. Mr. Zambales 2023. Si Kirk. Yes, next to you.
So hi everyone, my name is Hilbert Tamayo, 25. Currently upcoming first year college. Then this will be my first time sa pageant na to, sa gantong larangan. So pwede po ba mag-endorse na
Yeah, sure.
like vote nyo guys sa Victory Gym Athletic Club doon po sa page nila. Number 7. Thank you.
Okay. Number 7. All right.
Hello, good morning everyone. I'm John Justin, 18 years old and currently studying in Celtec College po. First time ko rin po mag-pageant.
First time din. Ayan. Okay. And the ladies' turn.
Hi everyone, this is Hannah Lynn Calambas, 25 years old. I'm currently studying as an HR student. I'm on my 4th year already, and at the same time I'm also working at night as a head of HR agency, and right now I am joining here as your number 3 candidate as Mr. and Miss Victorious 2024. So I'm also the representative of province of Zambales in the national stage this upcoming Miss Tourism Philippines 2024. So I hope that I'll get your support too there. Thank you.
Okay. All right. And next to you.
Hi, good day. My name is Rochelle Lee. I'm 20 years old. I'm so excited to be here. And I'm candidate number 5. Please vote me, guys. My confidence is too much, honestly. I hope you guys will vote. That's it.
All right. First time to join din ba?
Yeah, it's my first time.
So the two of you and her are first timers, no? Si Kirk and si I forgot the name. Honey Lynn. Ayan, hindi nila first time. Ayan. So halo-halo pala, may mga first timers, may mga
First-timer, pero most of them talaga we open to everyone.
Yeah.
First time at yung mga may mga experience na.
Yeah, okay. Can I ask a question dun sa first timers dahil
Go.
since first time nila, no?
Medyo mahirap pag first time.
Oo nga eh. Kaya nga I'm interested to know kasi first time nila. Simple lang naman yung tanong.
Sa una lang naman daw mahirap.
What can you say about the effects of globalization to the poorest of nations and its lasting impact to those trying to get out of poverty? Hindi, joke. Since first time nyo, what made you join? Bakit nyo sinubukan na mag-join? Ayan, yeah. Hindi naman sa akin question ko yung pagsali nyo. Curious to know lang, why did you join? What pushed you to join? Yeah.
Probably I like to explore. I want to experience a lot. Especially I'm still young. And that's it, yeah.
Yeah. You're still young. Well, that's a good point. When you're young, may mga gusto kang subukan. Yung mga nakikinig na youngsters ngayon, subukan nyo na kasi if you reach my age, I'm already in my 50s. Ayan. May mga naiisip ako sometimes na ba't di ko ito ginawa when I was younger? Yeah, I wanted to do taekwondo. It's too late for me to start na, malutong na yung buto. I wanted to try a lot of things
honestly,
na naisip ko yung
I'm not planning to join. One day I arrived gym and then one guy pulled my hand. Tapos biniring niya ako sa taas. Tapos sabi ko, hala, anong gagawin ko dito? Audition room pala siya. So napa-audition ako nang wala sa oras.
So may nanghila pala sa'yo.
Yeah, nagkakape lang dapat ako.
How about you guys? Kayo, what's your answer? You can use that microphone. Sige, hilain nyo. Kindly pull it. Yes, pwede hilain.
Okay po.
Okay. What made you join? Yeah.
So, yung friend ko po dun sa pinagjujuman ko po before is sinabi niya meron daw pong upcoming na Mr. and Miss Victorious 2024. Tapos sabi niya, bakit di ka sumali bro? Kasi si Kirk rin po kasama ko sa sa dating gym po namin. Tapos yan sabi niya, si Kirk doon madami opportunities. Why don't you try it? Tapos sabi ko, sige pag-iisipan ko. Then sinabi ko po dun sa girlfriend ko which is siya yung nag-apply po for my applications para sa Mr. and Miss Victorious 2024. So yun. So in behalf of her, kailangan ko po manalo. So, yeah.
The pressure's on.
Yes po.
And you, pare ko, what's your answer to that? What made you join?
Ako naman po, yung kaklase ko din po kasi candidate din po. Sinali lang din po ako. Tas sabi ko, parang gusto ko lang po i-try na ma-experience ba, ganun po.
Sinabi nung kaklase mo, parang
Opo, sabi
binalitaan
niya
ka
po,
na
may upcoming
contest. Okay.
contest po.
Ayun. So, yun yung sagot sa tanong, mga sagot nila sa tanong, what made them join? Hinila, binalitaan, minarites, binalitaan din. Tapos pressure ng girlfriend yung so yun po yung mga sagot ba't sila sumali. So kayo rin, yung mga nakikinig na gusto sumali, pwede pa ba? They can still join or are we close already?
Yeah, we're already close and maybe next year.
Kota na, no? Nakakota na. Kaya.
May official candidate na.
May enough na bilang na. Ayan. Okay, ayan. So, what's in store for the, would you like to tell us what's in store for the winners? What's gonna be in store for them sa mga mananalo? And,
yung mga winners natin, it's the same last year. They will be the ambassador of Victory Gym.
Yeah.
And also they will be receiving a cash prize. Ayan. Siguro mga 3 ang winners ng kupunin.
Top 3, syempre, no? Yeah. Okay, alright. So,
and also, DG, this is a good parang platform for them.
Opportunity and
lalo na
exposure.
sa mga first-timers at sa mga sumasali na kahit papaano, meron na silang gym na pupuntahan talaga, which is very nice talaga.
So it's good to enroll there, yung mga nagpaplanong mag-gym.
Oo, at saka marami ka makikita doon ng mga
Kasi sa Victory Gym, I've been friends with the owners for so long.
Yeah.
I noticed what makes them different from the other gyms. Hindi lang sila gym eh. Hindi lang sila gym and athletic club. Aside from buhat-buhat, weights, may mga gustong mag-jiu-jitsu, gustong mag-MMA, gustong mag-zumba. They offer that. And may extracurricular activities pa. Just like this one, this pageant. Tapos minsan depende pa kung ano yung panahon, there are times na pag nalalapit yung Halloween, meron pa silang haunted house, may mga activities. So yun, kasama yun sa mga kung sino man yung mga mananalo sa pageantista nito, kasama yun sa mga i-endorse nyo for the entire year hanggang sa sumunod yung next season ng Mr. and Miss Victorious. Ayan. So siguro would you like to invite our listeners one more time?
Yes.
Tell them everything you want to tell them.
Yes.
Sige.
Sino ang pwede mag-invite?
Yeah.
Hello.
Sige, briefly siguro kayo na mag-invite isa-isa. Yeah. Okay.
Hi, good day. Thank you so much for having me. I'm so excited to be here, honestly. I'm inviting all of you to visit Victory Gym and Athletic Club. They offer a lot of
I think programs. They offer a lot of
programs.
Yeah.
And honestly, I'm a gym rat. As you can see, I have abs here. It's saying FIT for fit.
Oo nga, may abs na. Pandesal.
Yeah.
Nakakainggit naman yan. For so long, gusto ko na magkaroon ng abs. Hindi natutupad. Hindi ko nahaharap. Yeah,
And
sige.
it's so nice to be there. It's something like a second home for me, honestly. And good environment, no toxic people. I know you guys will really enjoy a lot. Please visit, have a member, and grab your monthly promo. Yeah, they have monthly promo.
Okay. All right. Thank you. Yeah.
Ayan, ipopromote ko din po, meron pong 30 available slots. Extended promo po natin yung ating piso sale. So, sa mga gusto maging member ng ating Victory Gym and Athletic Club, pwede po. Sa halagang piso na pwede nyo nang mapuntahan ng Victory Gym. Syempre, maraming pwedeng gawin sa gym natin. And meron po tayong all access to group exercise classes. May free fitness test, free Wi-Fi, free locker, free parking, free health assessment. Ayan, lahat na ng hinahanap nyo nandito na. Kaya kung anong hinahanap nyo sa gym, dito na kayo sa Victory Gym and Athletic Club. Kaya,
wow, daming promos, no? Daming freebies.
Yes.
Wow, that's nice. Okay, how about you guys? The guys naman, you wanna add something pa? Okay.
So hello everyone. We encourage you to please come and visit Victory Gym, as it's already one of the best fitness facility in town with its amazing customer service and top tier quality equipments. And besides those things, we also want to invite each and every one of you to please come watch and support us, all of us candidates, in the upcoming Mr. and Miss Victorious on July 27, 6 p.m. And I just want to promote also my upcoming national pageant. I'll be representing the province of Zambales in the upcoming Misters of Filipinas. So I hope to have your support and encouragement, and as I look forward to this national competition. Thank you.
Mr.
Misters of Filipinas.
Misters.
It's a national pageant.
Okay, so will it be televised or for people to
Yes,
to watch out
it will
for?
be televised. It
Yeah.
will be published in the media,
Mhm,
different
okay.
social media platforms.
All right. So you guys mark your calendars. Kailan to? May date na?
It has no exact date yet,
What-
but
no,
it'll-
not yet.
The finals night will occur in either first week of September or last week of
Yeah.
first week of October or either last week of
Mhm.
September.
Pareho kayo ni Honey na magre-represent for Zambales, right?
Yes.
Oh, good. Yeah. Best of luck. Yeah.
Ay, sorry po. Since nag-vlog din po si Kirk, gusto ko din po i-invite kayo and support me, do support me. Available na po ang ating online voting for Miss Tourism Philippines, and ako po yung representative ng Zambales. So I hope that you'll be supporting me throughout my journey. So yun lang po.
Okay. All right. Yan. You guys, kayo naman, you promote. Whatever you wanna promote, sige, dagdag nyo na rin. All right.
So hi guys, invite namin kayo sa Victory Gym. Sabay-sabay tayo doon mag-workouts and madaming programs po doon na pwede niyong puntahan. Like may mga Muay Thai, mga nagtuturo po, and sa mga gusto po magpapayat, meron po tayong coaches doon. Thank you po.
Yeah, okay. Ikaw, pare ko
Ayun po, so nasabi naman na po nila lahat. I invite you guys to go to Victory Gym. Ang gaganda po ng mga equipments nila and malinis po sila kumpara sa other gyms. Yun.
Oh, invite po sila one more time for the Mr. and Miss Victorious, the date and the time.
I invite you guys
Everybody
to
can watch naman, ano? Pwedeng manood yung mga gustong pumunta. Sige.
Victor Victorious on July 27 po at Victory Gym.
Yan, okay. Do you have a... Yeah, sige. Yeah, go ahead. Give the mic to her. Sige.
Hi, I'm independent girly ng Olongapo City. I'm inviting you all. Please follow and like my page, Riches Vinlux, which I offer highly and guaranteed luxury item. I'm a supplier, honestly. My items are from Japan.
Supplier.
Thank you, sir.
What are these items and products? Ano to?
Luxury bags, belt, like
okay,
Chanel
okay.
or something like that.
All right. Ano yung what page to look for? Anong pangalan?
Riches Vinlux.
Riches
Vinlux.
Vinlux.
Yeah.
Lux.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Short
Riches
for
Vinlux.
vintage luxury.
Vintage Lux.
Yeah.
Ayan. Well, you guys, follow it. Para ano?
Follow.
Pakita mo rin yung back mo para for those who want to follow.
Oh,
Ito po yung
yeah.
likod. Joke lang. Okay. So yun. Going back to DJ Siego. Yeah. Anything else you want to add to that?
DJ, once again, we'd like to invite everyone to please do support and watch on the Grand Coronation Night of Mr. and Miss Victorious 2024. It would be on Victory Gym Athletic Club, of course. Please support also our candidates to vote them on our online votings. Matatagpuan po siya sa ating Victory Gym Athletic Club Facebook page. Ayan, kasi we'll be choosing awards for those candidates na may pinakamataas na votes. And also, of course, we are inviting everyone sa lahat naman nakikinig ngayon gusto magpaganda ng katawan, to maintain healthy lifestyle and body, please do visit at Victory Gym Athletic Club. And DJ, I would like to grab this opportunity also to promote our international male pageant. It's going to be happening here at Zambales on July 20.
Alright.
Sa Subic Safari ang ating first activity.
Okay.
And then July 21, swimwear competition for Man of the World. Gaganapin sa Villa Elisa Butolan, Zambales.
Okay.
And 22 charity events and 3 planting at Zambales. And 23 in the afternoon going back to Manila na. And on 26th of July, the Grand Coronation Night of Man of the World 2024 2024.
Yun. Man of the World yung title.
Man of
Wherein
the
sa
World.
Botolan gaganapin yung main ano.
Yung swimwear competition.
Okay. Pero yung main competition, main pageant,
Yung Coronation Night sa Makati.
sa Makati.
So, Philippines yung mag-host ngayon for international pageant ng Man of the
Wow. And of
So
course,
we're
you're gonna be part of it pa rin
one of
for
the-
Standout Productions
yes.
dahil yung mga... Natutulog ka pa ba? I see you here and there and everywhere. Tapos, ang dami mong pinopromote
Wala
na
nang
dates.
tulugan to.
So, well, gladly, isa ang Subic Safari sa mga stopover
napili ng
nila.
Man of the World because of our video na ginawa from Charlie na nag-title din ng Mr. International Philippines
Yeah.
na ang ating representative for Mr. Runaway Universe
Oh, yeah.
na lalaban sa Europe.
Oh yeah, I remember that. Yung pinopromote ni Mr.
Yes.
Charlie. Kasama rin siya sa Standout
Nakita
Productions.
nila na there's so much places na kailangan puntahan at ipakita internationally.
And isa na nga yung Subic Safari sa dadaanan,
Oo,
no?
Subic Safari
Sayang,
in Boto.
hindi nila inabutan yung promo ng Subic Safari, yung Running with the Tigers. Bahala na kung abutan. Yun yung title ng promo. Running with the Tigers, bahala na kung abutan. Ang meron yata na latest, Swimming with the Crocodiles. Yun yata ang latest. But speaking of Charlie, he will be representing the Philippines for the...
Tourism.
For si Charlie. Yung
Ay,
sa,
si Charlie.
Si Charlie.
Si Harley. Ayun si Charlie,
Charlie, yeah.
ayan, he is going to represent
The Philippines. Runway Philippines yung
Model
grand title.
Universe.
Ayun. Which will be held in
Europe,
in Bulgaria. A very Bulgar Chos. Bulgaria, yeah. Hindi naman. Yeah. Actually, maganda sa Bulgaria.
Oo, kasi malamig.
Oh, tsaka
I'll be there.
may famous brand sila na na bag doon alam mo, Bulgari. Chos. Ang dami nating chos. Okay.
Ay, promote na rin natin si Tita Jenny, yung kanilang anniversary for Kaling Curtain.
Oh yeah, happy anniversary.
Tomorrow.
6 years na ba? 8 years? 6 years yata, no?
Anniversary
6th
tomorrow na.
anniversary. Wow. I remember yung humble beginnings niyang Kaling Curtains ngayon, ha? Ngayon, grabe, no? 3 branches na.
3 branches from Dinalupihan.
At may
Subic.
balak pa yatang magdagdag. Oh, grabe. Congratulations, ha? And yung celebration is gonna be on the 18th, which is tomorrow na.
Tomorrow na,
yeah.
bilis.
Ayan. Congratulations again, Ate Jenny Kaling and the Kaling House of Curtains.
Yes.
Sa mga gusto pong magpagawa ng ng window blinds, curtains, yung design, decoration mismo ng windows, even yung sa doors, nilalagyan din ng ganyan eh. Ito po, napakagaling na service ng binibigay nila. Kaya kita mo naman, in just a matter of 6 years, dumami kagad yung branches. That's a testament to that. Ayan. So, Kaling House of Curtains. Pwede nyo rin hanapin sa Facebook page. May Facebook page
Kasi may promo din sila ngayon. May mga big sale sila.
Yeah, sale on the mini blinds. Mura na, nauutang pa. Ganun. Meron, di ba? Meron.
1 year to pay.
baka magulat si Ate Jha. Nauutang, baka utangan ako. Hindi, joke lang. Ayan. Okay, and also, syempre naman, kasama rin sa pinopromote natin, syempre, yung Sosimo Boutique.
Yes, Sosimo Fashion Boutique. Please visit na.
Number 3, Indiana Street. In Lower
Calaclan, Olongapo City.
Favorite ko sa WNBA yan ngayon yung Indiana Fever. Because of Caitlin Clark. Kung kilala niyo si Caitlin Clark.
Si Caitlin.
Grabe yung babaeng yan. Parang the second coming of Michael Jordan.
True.
Pero
Sobrang
WNBA.
galing.
Yung attendance ng WNBA nag-triple, quadruple pa yata. Wala kasing nanonood noon halos noon eh. But because of her ngayon, grabe. Napupuno yung stadium. Lumilipat pa sila. Oo, lumilipat pa sila sa sa Remy Field minsan.
True.
para ma-accommodate.
Para mapuno lang.
Ayan. Okay, so anything else?
Again, we'd like to ask them to promote themselves and their numbers on how they're going to catch our viewers and listeners.
Yeah, sige. Go ahead.
Hi again.
Sige. Okay, it's on.
Hi again, my name is Richolan Lim, candidate number 5. Thank you so much for each and everyone who's supporting me. Please continue supporting me.
Okay.
That's it. Back to you, Maring Hannah. Candidate number 5, please vote me, Richolan Lim.
Alright.
I'll give you a very quality performance.
Quality
performance.
Back to to you, Maring Hanalyn.
Thank you so much, Maring Shell. So, hi guys, this is Hanalyn Calambas, your candidate, Miss Victorious candidate number 3, and I hope that you keep on supporting me, especially my Botoleños dyan na supporters ko. I am representing my part in Botolan, so I hope that you will keep on supporting me, not just here as a Miss Victorious but also on my national pageant. So, yun lang mo po. And sa mga hindi po makakapanood, via live po, meron po tayo dyan sa ating Facebook page. And we are inviting you to like and follow our page, Victorious Athletic Club. Yan. So, para po updated din tayo sa mga promos and activities po dahil active na active po ang ating club.
When you said live sa Facebook, you mean
Yes.
Facebook page ng Victory Gym and Athletic Club. Yeah,
Yes
okay.
po.
And the number.
Candidate number 3,
Number
Hanalyn
3.
Calambas.
Yes, okay. All right.
Hello everyone, again I'm Kirk Daniel Libiran, your Mr. Victorious candidate number 1, and I'm encouraging you to please support me on this upcoming Mr. and Miss Victorious, and also please vote for me for your Mr. Victorious Choice Award. It'll be on Google Forms. You can visit also my social media platforms, Kirk Daniel Libiran. You can follow me there, and also, please support me on this upcoming Misters of Filipinas as I represent the beautiful province of Zambales. And lastly, we encourage you to come and visit the beautiful Victor Gym Athletic Club. We have 2 branches, one here in Subic and also another in Pampanga.
Okay. All right. And candidate number...
So hello again, everyone. My name is Hilbert Tamayo, and I'm Mr. Victorious candidate number 7. Encourage ko kayo to like and share yung page po ng Victory Athletic Gym Club po. So yan, kita-kita tayo sa sa July 27, 6 p.m. Doon rin po located sa Victory Gym Athletic Club. Thank you.
Also live on their Facebook page. Yeah,
Candidate number 7 po.
Number 7. All right. And you, Parikoy.
Hello again, everyone. I'm Justin, Mr. Victorious candidate number 5. Please do support me, and I encourage you guys to watch the upcoming pageant on July 27 at Victory Gym Athletic Club. That's all. Thank you.
Okay. Si Justin, meron ka bang Korean, Chinese, or Japanese lineage? Diba? Half Chinese. Ano po? Ano sa'yo? Korean yun eh. Yeah. Pero Justin, what's your last name?
Rufo po.
Rufo. Oh, nga.
Pure Pinoy
No lineage nga na. Just the eyes siguro na mana somewhere. Okay. All right. Si DJ Shego.
Ayan, once again.
Ano na yung Korean name mo? May Korean name ka, di ba?
Krung.
Krung. Ako may Korean name din ako eh. San Banyo.
Ako na lang Sanbanda.
Sige.
Ayan, once again, we'd like to invite everyone sa lahat ng mga nakikinig, million of viewers right now and listeners to please do support Mr. and Miss Victorious 2024 Season 2!
Yeah!
Ayan,
Season
and
2!
of course, please do visit also at Victory Gym Athletic Club. Ayan.
Enroll na!
Enroll na!
Daming
Get
freebies.
a peso.
Daming programs, daming freebies. And speaking of Victory Gym Athletic Club, shout out na rin kay Sir Treb.
Yes, shout out Sir
The
Treb and
wonderful,
Sir
the amazing Sir
Edmond, Ma'am
Treb.
Lynn.
Yeah. Pati si Sir Edmond who's in Pampanga, no?
Yes.
Yeah. Kaya po yung mga friend ni Sir Edmond na napapanood siya dito regularly nagpo-promote. Hindi niya siya napapanood dahil sa Pampanga siya ngayon. Ewan ko kung may radio station siyang binibisita ron. Yeah. Okay. Anyways, yan. Thank you very much.
And once again, DJ, this is also in collaboration with Standout Production. Ayan.
With what?
With Standout Production.
Standout.
Team.
Yes, Standout nga pala. Yeah, Standout Productions. Yan pa, kasama na rin sa promote natin yan eh, di ba? If you guys will be needing models.
Models and also if
talents.
Ayan.
Yeah.
Gusto nilang mag-cover kami ng production events.
Yeah.
We are open. They
Just
can
like this
visit-
one, di ba?
Yes,
Yeah.
you can visit on our Facebook page, Standout Production.
Yun. So
and
kung
also
meron,
they can message me on my Facebook page.
yeah, kung meron kayong gustong ganapin na events like this, pageants, or
para hassle-free.
Hassle-free. Upo ka na lang.
Upo ka na lang.
Hayaan nyo na si DJ
Kami
Shego
na po.
and
Kami na
Standout
papagod.
Productions. Ayun. And how to get in touch. Well, you have si DJ
Yes,
Shego.
I have Facebook
Kilalang naman. May
page.
Facebook page. Sabihin mo na rin number. Baka may nakikinig ngayon. Call or text.
Hindi ko sa ulo yung number.
Hindi mo sa ulo. Well, anyways, Facebook page. Everybody's on Facebook naman. Ayan.
Yeah.
DJ Ciego.
Ciego, ganda.
Ciego.
Ayan.
Ayan.
And also, once again, please do support our international pageant, male pageant, Man of the World 2024 here at Olongapo in SBMA and Zambales. Ayan,
Okay.
Subic Safari and Butolan, Zambales. Thank you so much to Vice Gov and to Mayor Jan Conghon for supporting our
Projects and events
projects
and
and events.
pageants,
Thank you. So
yeah.
very supportive.
All right. Okay. So, ayan. Do watch out for those events na binanggit ni
Yesterday. Ang dami
DJ
pa nating
Ciego.
event
Ang dami
actually.
pa. Yeah, exactly.
Meron pa
Oo.
tayong 346 upcoming events. So nakakaano pa lang tayo.
Bilang na bilang
nakaka-6.
talaga. Parang all days of the year yata yun.
Oo, wala na tayong
365 days a year lang eh. May 346
Daily.
ka pa oh. Nangangalahati na yung 2020. Hanggang 2025 na yan. Alright. So again, thank you so much for
Thank
dropping
you so
by.
much.
Best of luck on all of the events and best of luck na rin sa tulog kung makakakuha ka pa. maraming
Sleeping
salamat.
pills na ako para makatulog kahit 1 hour.
Yeah. Victory Gym, maraming salamat. Thank you.
Ayan.
Thank
Sir
you,
Gini kasama din natin.
Sir Jimmy of Victory
Sir
Gym and
Brian
Athletic Club.
Forge.
Alright, so dyan lang po kayo. Please stay right there. We will be back with more. We will take the quick top of the hour break. We will be back with more. Stick around.
Big Bang.